Hello, YouTube. Thank you very much for getting me to 500 subscribers. This is 99 AI, and I'm making a video for you all. So it's actually week 4 of our thing. Actually late by like a week, but hey, thank you very much for keeping the channel pushing. We at 500 subs. Hopefully, we can reach 1,000 subs in a few. I have you guys to thank for that, and let's actually now get down to this video. What the hell am I even doing? So right now I am on like the week 3 branch here. I haven't changed anything. Okay, I think I changed something. I just didn't push it, but hey, that's not important. See what's gonna happen though. See now I'm just taking this code. I'm putting it here on DeepSeek. When I edit it, basically I'm kind of showing you guys how exactly do you complete the challenge in a much faster way, and how you can use this to learn yourself as well. Um, where is this thing? All right, then. So we also have the nav bar. So we're gonna take the nav bar as well. We're gonna put it here. So what I took the features, I took the footer, I took the hero section, and I took the nav bar section, right? So I just took all these sections. Why am I giving them to this thing? I'm giving it context. What is context? Context is basically whatever we're talking about. In this case, I'm talking with an AI, so it basically answers my thing based on the context we're talking about. So before you even ask an AI to do something for you, you must first give the AI context about whatever you're doing. So whether you're doing sales, whether you're doing finances, whether you're doing marketing, or whether you're doing IT, context is basically the same definition throughout, and the more context you can give your AI in a much more, I won't say relaxed manner, but in a much more user appealing manner, and in a much more easier to understand manner for the AI, the better it is for you. Alright then, so where was I? Now I'm on index. Let's take index, put it here. So this is what I'm doing. They refer to it, the older gen is vibe coding apparently. So yeah, we're doing some vibe coding. Just gonna give this thing almost everything so it knows exactly what I want. So now let's say you're doing this challenge, right? Just gonna copy the week 4 challenge. Crazy how I'm showing you guys how to do this thing, but it makes life better for you guys as well. So right now we're just gonna let this thing cook. After that, we're gonna, I don't know, we're gonna make something out of it. Make a new user ticket component. Hey, what is this thing saying? Where do you even add this? So you don't need to add the contact form as well. Simulate API call. Simulating the call. I don't want it to simulate the call. I want it to actually send them the SMS. I think JavaScript can do that. It's gonna make our lives a little bit easier. So we're just gonna make JavaScript simulate the payments, and then from there we're gonna be able to not really simulate, but it's basically just gonna actually send the email. I think you can do that using JS, email, JS. Yeah, send email directly from your code. I have to sign up. I don't know. I just first read that docs. Da, da, da. So they can create an email template. Oh shit. Do I pay for this? I have 200 monthly request. Okay, let's send out the free one and see. I don't know. Should I be showing you guys this? Or should I just disappear and come back? But I think there's a way we can use this without signing up. Let's see here. But this is an alternative we can use. if whatever this thing gets out doesn't work. I don't have no dark mode in my website. This thing is adding features for no reason. But fine, yeah, add the dark mode feature. Implementation, add the Okay, see how it gave us implementation stuff. Not gonna make my life simple. Yeah, what's the first step? Write the new stick. Let's build an F bar in FJS. I don't know whether this thing things I have an FJS or something. So this guy. There's an F bar here. This thing said I should put this thing below the nav bar. Yeah, you see. Yeah, so this is what it means about putting this below the nav bar. Interesting. So it's gonna go here, but we can't just put it there. It should come here as components. Okay, I can either do this or I can do the more efficient way. Provide for code. This is the more faster way. Yeah, I can do that. I can just create a component here, make a new file, maybe call it a new sticker or whatever. CS. Yeah, you can do this. Paste your thing here. It will like happily run. Then what you do, you come this side, you're gonna this thing of new sticker, you put the thing like so. You check, you can like efficiently link like this. But yeah, it did the thing. Yeah, I did it. I thought it was gonna do it as okay. Yeah. I like this one. You see that it's the same. Wait, I have errors. Huh? So we're gonna make a new component. So see this new thing that we're doing here. Basically, every single time you make a new line of code, you're adding a new component to your code. It's a whole lot. Oh yeah, property email doesn't exist. Okay, it's fine. If I rename it, I can call it JSX. Clean. There's no errors. It's the fact that I'm calling it a CSX. Okay, then either way, we have the pricing. Mm-hmm. Okay. Updating our nav bar. To what? Not exactly like, cause this is the one thing I don't understand. Current nav bar. Give me yours with the new changes. Alright then, so see what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna take this guy. on this guy as well, the dark mode tool thing. Yeah, dark mode tool dot JSX. I still have to go to tail and config, yo. This thing might not run this one. Dated index. So update your index as well. Excuse me. Gosh. Alright, and so right now we have to look for this file. Tailwind J whatever this thing is. Either is 229. This thing just trust. This one has to be modified again. So yeah, now I'm showing you guys how to properly use AI thing to make your front end. Because you can't be paying people to make your front end. Okay. Okay, now put this guy in. Ever attack mode toggle. So now the issue facing. Yeah, but do not delete your files, guys. So yeah, it's gonna cut it JSX straight. So it's gonna make this error go away. I wonder how it's looking now. Hey. Oh, we have an error. Eish. This is JSX thing. So, see, you just listen to AI. But now I wanna switch to this JSX. I wanna see what it's gonna be like. It looks the same as like TypeScript. It's got build. Yeah, but yabona buka lana angithi njengamanje njengoba sesenza kanje seyilokhu ukugcina le nto la wara wakhona ngawo. Okay, so I'm plugging it. Yeah, now we have our own colors. Okay, let's come back here. Still giving us issues. Alright, guys, seriously, the deliver in that thing, ends the past 10 minutes. I don't know whether it's 10 minutes or what, but basically, I'm trying to get this guy to run. And I ran. Hey, that is not my site. Let me experiment a bit more and see what else is gonna break here. JSX. It's gonna change. You see? Zinti gonna so I think I'll be back. What is this? It's CSX now. Yeah, okay. So you see whatever the thing was telling us. Redo the whole code. Whole code. I use CSX now. So now it's gonna be like gonna give us the proper code. So now you see how easy it is for you to write wrong code. So imagine I did not intentionally do it. I was not aware that I was using CSX at the start. I was aware, but I wasn't focused on that. So yeah, hence why I made the mistake of making something that doesn't build. Well, yeah, all that is water under the bridge. So it's just viewed as a lesson of you guys learning how to not do the wrong things there when you start doing TypeScript and JavaScript, because it does get confusing those two. But for now, let's sit back, enjoy the show, and I'm gonna tell you this one thing. See how it's different now. Yeah, how it's saying the sources. So the tailwind.config ts class usually will tell you, or would usually tell your system what is it expecting, like to run, what type of software can it run, what type of things can it run on. See the one chat just made for me. This one could run even the JX, wara and all that stuff. But now that makes life a bit more complicated for other people. Let's see the original one we had. The original one we had was more or less like this. That's why I could run the other things. So now we're gonna make it more strict to basically running. Oh, the way of importing changed. And see in the TypeScript, then we can import I don't know, chairs. Either way, I don't think it makes much of a difference in my life. See here, I had a JS thing. Now this thing wants to make it to TypeScript. Named TypeScript. Yo, okay, they're gonna have your name. See how these changes are very subtle. They're not like what's this one? Rename CSX. Alright, guys, landed the browser there. It's like, I don't know. My error represents. Sakala still. Yeah, life be crazy. See me now, I don't understand this. But you know, I thought to fix these issues later. No, let me fix the app. It's broken so many times. Yeah, for shared types. Yes, that's now I have to make my types. The okay, I'm gonna have to explain what types are. So types are basically like metadata or just basically data in tables or documents or whatever. It's metadata you would most likely be using throughout your code. Yeah, so we have to make for that as well. But here's the thing, where do I even put this type thing? Do I put it here or put it like under? Let me just put it here. Okay, let me see how they're using it. So I can actually know where it goes exactly. Types the dots. Same directory. Yeah, same directory as this one. Just put it in our components. Call it types. TS. Alright then, so yeah, I think that's how this one goes. Like here we experimenting, people. Don't blame me if it doesn't work. Okay. Now we're rechanging the designers thing. The old features and yeah, where are we putting this? It over here. We have an error up top. What happened? Let me show this guy. Oh. Mm-hmm. Hey, but you see, my dark mode works now. So we have just added dark mode to our app. Is it lights, dark? Can edit some other things. Okay. Oh, this one works. Oh yeah, our dark mode feature works. So we can add dark mode somewhat. So yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna end it off here. If you guys wanna like me to make another video further explaining this JavaScript thing or TypeScript, doesn't really matter with me. I can help you. And don't get worried about these errors. Usually you can just fix this thing as you go with the code. It doesn't really matter. As you're still learning, I wouldn't fuss over the fact that your code has errors. If you can like make it run like so, make sure it's a page, you can reload, it shows animations, it shows that it's alive, you see, then yeah, I'll take it up as the best offer we have. So right now I'm gonna save this to its own branch on the side. I'm just gonna do it like so. create a new branch from week 3. This branch is gonna be week 4. Right, and then I'm gonna push on this branch week 4 JS /TS class. Then I commit. So it's gonna click yes. It's gonna push those commits up there. And then after that, you're just gonna write whatever, you publish your branch. See now how it wants me to make a pull request from week 4. I'm not gonna make a pull request now, because if I make a pull request, okay, let me just create one, because on the last video I explained like what a pull request was. I showed you a little bit what it did. So I'm just gonna make one now. I added dark mode to the website. Please check out the code for conflicts. Then I'll just click create. It's saying there's no conflict, right? Let's merge the pull request. There's create merge conflicts. All right. See how you can still revert it. You can still go backwards to your shitty changes. So now let's go check this thing out and see how it's like. GitHub. So it's updated just now. So I think that one is the latest changes now. Yeah. Yeah, I wanna see here what happened. Did this one change? Did it CI/CD? Oh, it did not. The second deployment, it changed. And it's loading. All right, and so this is the big reveal whether we did the deployment nice. Oh, but now there's no dark mode. See, it only deployed like the week 3 version. Yeah, the one with dark mode, it hasn't deployed yet. Yes, so now I'm creating. It's not coming to doing this too. Gosh, I think I lost my code.